Hello, it's Cassie here with Trinity Stamps, and I'm very excited to be sharing a product release video for the Happily Ever After release. Today we're going to be taking a closer look at the Floral Twinkle Slimline die. This Slimline size die cuts one decorative panel that measures 8.5 inches by 3.5 inches. The die also features an embossed edge border. Look at all that beautiful detail, and I love that embossed edge. And now let me share a card that I made using the Floral Twinkle Slimline die. I put it on a 5x7 so you can easily cut it down, but I love how beautiful that looks as a background. Now let's take a look at what the rest of the design team has made for you. Be sure to check out all that Trinity Stamps has going on over on their blog, Facebook page, and Instagram for more crafty inspiration. Thanks for stopping by, and I hope you have a great day.